If you suffer from pain in constricted spine, you must decompress the vertebra every evening. To do that, lie down on hard floor. Ask your partner to put fists or palms on the sides of each vertebra and quickly push with all weight. Never push on the vertebra itself, only on the left and the right side of it. The cracking sound is perfectly normal, do not be afraid of that. If done correctly, you'll feel an immediate relief. Regular procedures will help to get rid of many nerve constraint related problems like evening headaches.